Welcome to my YouTube channel RazeACAD, and today we will see some of the example how to balance the linear momentum in different cases. Okay, so we will see with the help of example how we can balance the linear momentum and find the unknown values when it is asked. Okay, so our topic is linear momentum. Okay, so suppose that there is an example in which the ball 1 is of mass m, is moving here with velocity of v, okay, and this ball is at rest which is of mass 2m. Okay, so after the collision with this ball mass 2m, this ball mass 2m moving here with velocity in the forward direction with v1, and here the velocity of ball v2 is, suppose that v by 2, okay, and the ball of mass 2m has velocity of v1. Okay, so we will balance here the linear momentum. Okay, balancing linear momentum. Okay, so in this case how we will balance the linear momentum and find the velocity v1? So we will firstly the linear momentum was mv, which since the v was in the positive direction, so the forward direction we are taking as positive. We can take any direction as positive, we can take backward direction also as positive, the answer will not change. Okay, mv is equals to m minus mv by 2 plus 2m v1. Okay, so m and m got cancelled, 3v by 2 is equals to 2v1, so v1 is equals to 3v by 4. So this is how we can balance the linear momentum and find the unknown values which are there in the question. Okay, so suppose that there is another example. Suppose that there is a ball of mass m, okay, which is moving here with velocity of v, and here the mass 2m is there which is at rest. Okay, so suppose that after the collision these both 2m and m mass combinedly move with velocity of v1. Okay, so we have to find what is the velocity v1. Okay, so this is unknown, v1 velocity is unknown. So how we will find in this case velocity v1? So we will do the linear momentum balance. Okay, so mv is equals to 3m v1, so m and m got cancelled, v is equals to 3v1, so v1 is equals to v by 3. Okay, so with the velocity of v by 3, this combined assembly of mass 3m will move. Okay, so this is how we will solve the question when the linear momentum balance is asked. So let's see one more question. Suppose that this is a plane. Okay, suppose that this is of mass m, okay, and this is of mass 2m, this is of mass 3m, this is of mass 4m. Okay, so this is moving with the velocity of v. So in the final state, after first collision, with 4m mass, what is velocity of all balls? Okay, so suppose that this collides with this collides with this collides with this, so we have to find the velocity of this, and it is given that no second collision happens between balls. Okay, so no second collision is there between the balls. Okay, so only one collision is there. Okay, so when this collides with this, what is the velocity of mass 2m? Okay, so suppose that when this is of mass m and this is of mass 2m. Okay, so when this collides with this is of velocity v. Okay, so when this collides with this, the combined assembly will form a mass of 3m. and it is also given that when collision is there, it forms an assembly which is of combined mass with previous ball. Okay, so this is previous ball. When it collides, this forms a combined assembly which is of mass 3m. So we can easily do the linear momentum balance, which is initially mv, finally it is 3m v1. Okay, so the value of v1 is v by 3. Okay, so v1 came out to be v by 3. Okay, so when it collides with this 3m mass, so what will the initial linear momentum? 3m v by 3 is equal to 6m v2. Okay, so m got cancelled, this 3 got cancelled, so v by 6 is equals to v2. Okay, so now this 6m mass will collide with this 4m mass. Okay, 6m is with velocity of v by 6. Okay, so 6m into v by 6 is equals to 4m v3. Okay, so m and m got cancelled, 6 and 6, so v by 4 is equals to v3. Okay, so the value of this 4m mass will be v by 4. With the velocity v by 4, this 4m mass assembly will be moving. 4m mass assembly will be moving with velocity v by 4. Okay, so this is the velocity v by 4 with which the combined assembly of will be moving. Okay, thank you.